Looking for the best tattoo machines? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best tattoo machines for professional and beginner artists. These machines are powerful, easy to use, and perfect for all tattoo styles. Let's check them out. Item number 5. Introducing the Easy Caster Wireless Tattoo Machine, a perfect tool for professional tattoo artists. Made from aircraft aluminum, this machine features a powerful Coreless DC motor with stable performance and smooth operation. It comes with a 1500 mAh battery, providing 3 to 5 hours of working time after a 2 to 3 hour charge. The 3.5mm stroke length ensures precise tattooing, while the LED display shows real-time voltage adjustments. Its lightweight, anti-slip design offers a comfortable grip for long sessions. Ideal for all tattoo styles, this machine helps artists create excellent work with ease and stability. Item number 4. Introducing the Dragonhawk Masked Flip Tattoo Machine, a versatile tool designed for all tattoo styles. This machine features an adjustable stroke length from 2.6mm to 4.0mm, allowing artists to customize their work with precision. Powered by a 1350 mAh battery, it provides 3 to 5 hours of stable performance with a quick Type-C charging system. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, while the custom Coreless motor delivers smooth and quiet operation at 12-volt, 1000 RPM. With a simple control system and easy voltage adjustment, this machine is perfect for professional tattoo artists seeking comfort, power, and flexibility. Item number 3. Introducing the Dragonhawk A1 Wireless Tattoo Machine, perfect for beginners and professionals. Powered by a custom motor with a 3.5mm stroke, it delivers smooth performance for both lining and shading. With a powerful 1600 mAh battery, it offers 6 to 7 hours of working time and fast Type-C charging. The machine features upgraded motor algorithms for precise voltage control and reduced vibration. The complete tattoo kit includes needles, ink, practice leather, and accessories. Everything you need to start tattooing with confidence and achieve professional results easily. Item number 2. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine, designed for professionals and beginners. Crafted from space aluminum alloy, it features a powerful Coreless motor with 4.0mm to 4.5mm stroke options, perfect for lining, shading, and color packing. With a 2400 mAh battery, it offers up to 6 hours of stable performance on a single charge. The LED display shows voltage, battery level, and working time for easy control. Its ergonomic design, fast Type-C charging, and adjustable voltage make it a reliable tool for any tattoo artist seeking precision and comfort. Item number 1. Introducing the XNet Vipera Wireless Tattoo Machine, a perfect choice for professional and beginner tattoo artists. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it features a powerful Coreless motor with 7 adjustable stroke options from 2.4mm to 4.2mm. The 2400 mAh battery provides 8 to 10 hours of stable performance with fast Type-C charging. Its OLED display shows voltage and battery level, allowing easy control. The machine supports both wireless and RCA wired modes. Lightweight, durable, and designed for comfort, the Vipera offers smooth performance. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.